can't believe it. Look, look. Well, hello, hello, hello. So today, hello my loves, I am in all print on print except for the feet, but I quite like the idea of wearing the these brogues with this as well, right? So it's like a full-on print. But you know what, I'm not going to wear it today because I'm going to the flea market, another one. It's reopened on Columbus Avenue and like 77th Street, something like that, on the upper west side of Central Park. It is one of the longest flea markets, longest standing running flea markets in New York City, and it closed down for months and months and months, and it reopens literally a couple of weeks ago. So I'm going to head down there, and I'm not going to wear those Louis Vuitton shoes because wearing those is the equivalent at a flea market to wearing a sign on your forehead that says charge me double. So I'm wearing this Rixo dress. It's nice and simple. I love the colors of it. It's so pretty, long sleeved. Look at this, it's so autumnal, right? This is gonna look so good later on with like tall boots, just like tucking underneath, you're just walking. Oh, you know, I love all that kind of stuff. Bag is by Free People. I've had this bag, it's a mirror bag, forever. I mean, I think I've had this bag for about, if I had to guess, about a good, what, 4 years maybe. Those really pretty bags that has like mirrors all over it. It's like a nice sort of feed bag, I call it, because it's very like large and oversized. To me, it's always, it just goes with so much of my things. And the Converse on my feet, you know, these high hikes, I've told you about these, but the most comfortable pair that you've ever had. I'm gonna head out and I'll obviously take you with me. Here we are. Oh boy, it's usually in that area there, but it looks like it's just like a few vendors outside instead. Oh well, let's just check out what they've got. Okay, so not very successful. Didn't see anything that I needed or wanted, and also I was very disappointed to find that it's actually not as fully open as it used to be. Remember I showed you that open yard section? Well, that is not, oh, sorry, distracted by clothing. It's not there. It's just a few vendors just outside of it on the pavement area, sidewalk. So never mind, but I'm glad I went anyway and checked it out. Next time. Hello, so I figured I'd do a vlog. I'm looking for a modern light, probably for the living room. In the corner there is an armchair, a standing light to go there in that spot. Small, sleek, and I've seen something that I like the look of. It's black. I just love the look of it, so I'm going to check it out. It's in a local furniture shop in Brooklyn. I actually mentioned this place before in one of my street style episodes because the owner's very cool, and she was at the end of one of my episodes. So I'm going there now. The store is amazing, by the way. Okay, so I'm ready to go. So this is what I'm in. I've got my And Other Stories cardigan, the one I love so much. The bag strap is Kate. The bag is JW Pye. The Ulla Johnson high waist pants that I love so much, and I've got my Dr. Martens on. I'm gonna head out now. We're here. Here's the place I was thinking of.
How could we be wrong?
Yeah, how could we be wrong with a place like this? Your mind is going to be blown. Look at that. Look at the size of that. This is masonry next to it. That's the height. Eat your heart out, any vessel lovers. Here's the light.
And so I guess the downstairs back office is the downstairs. Yes, you can do these. Yeah.
Amazing, isn't it? I know. I know. Oh wow. That's so good. It's Dapalou's work. I interviewed him for one of my street style episodes. He's so good. I've seen this face before on my YouTube channel. Oh, like it's just so cute. I love this. It's gorgeous. Yeah, that's a good one. I love your shoes.
Thank you.
Where are they from? They're so pretty.
She's Zara.
What?
Yeah.
When?
Imagine. It's like, oh, 5 years ago. I love them so much.
They look. I thought they were Miu Miu.
Yeah, they
Yes,
they
that
could
vibe,
be, of
'cause it's
course, they
velvet.
could be, of course, yeah.
Very nice.
Thank you so much.
These are so good and they have them in different colours. Oh my god, I got it! I can't believe it! Look, look! Ah! All right, so another day. So glad about that light. Anyway, so I'm gonna meet a friend for lunch. Now she is a YouTuber as well. Sorry about the banging, we got work going on downstairs, so we're just gonna meet up properly for the first time and just hang out and just have a chit chat. So wearing all black almost, the Frankie Shop t-shirt with the Ganni jeans. You guys know about these jeans already, wide leg. This is the Majori collaboration with Frame, and then I'm wearing the is it MSGM or MGSM? It's one of those for the blazer. I love this grey colour of it. This was something I picked up from Farfetch. You guys know already about this. And then, of course, needs no introduction, the Loewe puzzle in stone blue. That's it. Oh, and Converse high hikes. All right, I'm out. We're going to check out a coffee table at the RH outlet. It's one I've been looking for months.
Chilly, chilly.
Look how nice
chilly,
it
chilly.
is. Everyone likes your boots, Michael.
Oh, I like these boots. Are you kidding me?
Even World Market is here as well, outlet version. Oh, look.
Oh, you got a mask?
Oh, yeah, my mask. Let me go and get my mask. Put it on.
Cut the mask.
Right there, we just put them on.
So that's the one you looked at.
I think that is it. The leg is crooked.
It's bent.
It is bent.
So
I'm not sure. I love how they have this concrete effect vase. Really tall one in here. This would be good for like outside, but inside as well. If you've got like a really tall space. Oh my gosh, we're in Design Within Reach outlet and they've got this two-arm sconce I've always loved. They've got the two-arm sconce that I like. This is it. I love this. Look at that lip. So good. I can't stop staring at my mouth. Hello, I don't know what day it is, but we got a delivery today. It is of open kitchen shelves, wall shelves, and they came from Etsy. I ordered them about 4 weeks ago, so it took a while, but the reviews on the website were so good. They were so glowing. So I've always wanted and I've always liked the look of open shelves in the kitchen. So here they are. We've got 3 of them. Michael has one of them on table because we are going to DIY sand them because we want them to be a little bit lighter. So we're going to sand them so that they are.
I didn't go crazy. I just wanted to hit it kind of lightly.
Yeah.
But you can see, you know, there's a little bit of the stuff in there a little bit, but I can drop that down.
That's great. So this is the after, and this is how it was before, which has much more of a shiny lacquered finish, which we don't like.
Take that off.
Yeah, so we're taking that off and keeping it more of a natural finish. The small bathroom that Michael and I used to use all the time when we rented upstairs to tenants. Now that we've taken over the whole house, we have a bathroom still upstairs. It's a bit bigger. This one we're keeping on a lower level, but it needs a makeover, because this is what it looks like now. It is 0 counter space. I mean, that is the counter space. There's nothing. And this is what we used for years, and it's an absolute state.
And how we managed to do that for years, I have no idea, but we did.
I know. So, right, just recording what it looks like now before we change everything. Yeah, so bye. Wish us luck. By the way, Michael is taping everything up because the construction of just demoing this stuff is going to create so much mess that we created a wall. That's the kitchen behind this wall, just to protect everything and to create a pathway for all the stuff to be taken out. Okay, so it's freezing.
It's cold.
We are going to get reclaimed wood. Michael thankfully found a place. Whoa! Look how thick that is. Oh my God, that's amazing. Look at the wood here.
50% board. That's over 2 inches.
Wow, that is amazing. That is really thick.
That's a 3-inch thick.
I love it. So we got lucky. We may have actually seen a piece of wood that we actually need for the bathroom renovation. But this place is fantastic. It's such a good idea just to use reclaimed wood, just to add some, you know, that kind of like very warm, rustic, but still contemporary feel to your home. Something that's natural. Look at this right here.
Take a look.
Solid wood. Oh, this is gorgeous. I love it. Morning everybody. We are, well, I am escorting Michael into
She's my pole watcher.
yeah. He's gonna go and vote. I can't vote yet, but he can. And yeah, today's the day, so he's going to vote. Oh God, I look like crap. Yay! You voted.
Done. I did.
Brilliant.
Yay!